Today, I'm going to show you how to create a second Instagram account. Let's jump in. So all you need to do is open up your Instagram account here, and you'll presumably be logged into your first account. And then all you want to do is in the bottom right-hand corner, you see your profile picture. You want to click on that to open up your page. And then at the top, you see the three little lines. You want to click on that. And then we're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom here, and we're going to go add account. Now you got two options. You can either log into an existing account so that you can switch between the two if you already have that created. But what we're going to do is we're going to create a brand new account. So then it's going to walk you through this process just like you did when you first created your account. You want to create a new username. I'm going to call it Andy Canode Show. Click next. Then it's going to ask you to enter a password. And then when you click next, it says, welcome to Instagram, Andy Canode Show. And then you just need to complete your sign up. So it's going to walk you through this process, and your answers might be different than mine, but this is asking you if you want to allow access to your contacts on your phone. So I'm going to click next. I'm going to say don't allow. You can allow that if you wish. You could use your location service so that it knows where you're posting from. I'm going to click next, and I'm going to say don't allow. Again, your answer might be different. Get Facebook suggestions. Click continue, and so you can select your Facebook account if you would like to link those together. I'm just going to say skip. Then we could add a photo. So I'm just going to take a photo here, and then it's going to ask you if you want to access your photos to be able to post, but I'm going to say don't allow right now. And then in order to get started, we just need to follow 5 people so that it can start creating the option. So I'm just going to go Rock. He has a good follow. Dwayne Johnson. We're going to follow my play. Might as well follow myself. Okay. Just select a couple accounts. You can pick whoever you want and then click follow. Obviously you can always turn that, add more as you go, but they just want to get you started. And then you can turn on your notifications if you wish. I'm just going to skip that. And then it's going to ask you to, dial in some of your interests. Oh, I like that. Not interested. And click continue. And there you go. Hey, it's me. And just with a couple of those clicks of the button, you now have your account set up, and you can obviously add more information into that. But then if you want to switch back to your old account, you just go back down to the bottom. Click on that profile again to open up your page. And then you can see now there's a little arrow next to the name of your second account. We click on that and it brings up your other account. So we can go back to our first original account we came from. And just like that, you can easily switch between your accounts. So now you have your second Instagram account all accessible in your one app. And so I hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.